how to add Canva design to WordPress. The first thing that we need to do is we'll need to go to Canva and get our design ready. So I'll just use this one. Now, once we have our design ready, we'll open it up here in the editor and then we'll click on share. Now from the share option, we'll scroll down until we see the three dots here and we can just select more. And then we want to go to this option here, embed. Click on embed. And then we'll get this HTML code. Now what we need to do is just copy this code. So click on copy. And we're going to go into WordPress. Now, once we have the code copied, we'll go to pages here from WordPress or from within WordPress. And then go to the page where we want to add this Canva design. So for example, I'll do it on my home page. I'll just click on my home page here. And it's going to look like this. I will quickly just delete this so it doesn't appear. Now here we can just click on the plus sign to add a new block and we'll search for HTML and you will get this option, custom HTML. Just select it. And what we want to do here is we want to paste the code that we just copied. So I'll right click and paste. And now if I click on save, this is going to add our Canva design into WordPress. As you can see here, it's going to load in a second. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.